Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing for 4 months of travels in Southeast Asia. I'm recording the audio on the phone, so bear with me being like this for the rest of the video. The backpack, first of all, that I'm using, Quechua backpack. It's a 70 plus 10 liter backpack, and I got this from Decathlon. And that bag right there is a Wildcraft bag, and that's going to be my day pack, my camera bag, etc. So yeah, these two are the only bags that I'm going to be carrying on the trip, and this is all the stuff that I'm going to be carrying. Okay, so right here in front of me, first of all, is a packing cubicle that has all of my clothes. It has 1 2 3 4 t-shirts, 1 tank top, 2 shirts, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxers, 1 2 shorts, 1 swimming shorts, and some of my underclothes. So yeah, that's about it. And I'm going to be carrying 1 white pants and 1 pair of jeans, and I'm going to be wearing 1 shorts and 1 t-shirt. That's all I'm going to be carrying as far as clothes are concerned. And this bag has a compartment at the bottom which has 1 pair of sports shoes and 1 pair of flip-flops in it, and I'm going to be wearing 1 pair of loafers while traveling at the airport. So yeah, this is all that I'm taking on my trip with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys right now how I pack everything. And for all the people on my Instagram who asked me how I roll my t-shirts for packing, it's going to be coming up. Hold on. Alright, so now I've got all the stuff in its own packing cube. These are all the accessories that I have for my camera, GoPro, everything else. This is the drone bag, and in this I have my gimbal, my drone, and my chest strap for my GoPro. And this is the camera cube, and this is all my clothes and my towel. So all this 1 2 3 4 5, these things, everything is going to be going inside this bag, and everything that is left, which is this stuff, all the laptop, GoPro, and all these things, and my camera, all this is going to be going in my laptop bag. Okay, so now with this bag being packed up, I'm left with this bag and all this stuff. So this is my camera case, like a pouch that I'm putting my camera inside, which will go inside this because I need quick access to that. And this is all my laptop accessories. This is a rain cover for this bag in case I'm traveling and it rains on the way somewhere. I can instantly remove that and put a cover on top of this so that all my gear is safe. This is my laptop, and a Gorilla Pod for my camera, GoPro, batteries, and extra stuff. So this is going inside this. Let me pack this. Okay, so that's about it, guys. That's everything that I'm taking on this trip with me in these 2 bags, except for the camera that I'm currently shooting on, and that's going to go inside this bag, inside the pouch which I had for the camera. And yeah, I hope you guys got something out of this video. And now here comes the Ranger roll of the t-shirt that everybody on Instagram was asking me to show. Okay, now here's how I roll my t-shirts for packing them. So the first thing you gotta do is lay the t-shirt down flat with the front side facing downwards, and then make the t-shirt, you know, like a rectangle kind of a shape, where you fold the sleeves in such a way where they make a straight line with this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah. So once you've had this, then what you do is, in the bottom part of the t-shirt, you fold it downwards. It's got to be about 3 inches in. Once you've got this, you fold both the sides to the middle. So this is the center of the t-shirt. So now once you have this, you again fold it in the center. And then you have something like this. And then you start rolling from the top of the t-shirt, tucking it in so that you have less wrinkles, and fold it till the end. And then you get something like this, like a pocket kind of a thing. And then what you do is, you just take this pocket and then you just invert it, open the pocket to the other side, and seal the t-shirt on both the sides, like so, where it covers at least like half of this. So yeah, there you go.